Your dog is cooler than both of my dogs. Only one is buckle up Buttercup, you just flipped my witch switch cat sunset Halloween shirt. Okay. With buckle up Buttercup, you just flipped my witch switch cat sunset Halloween shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. But in real life people are buckle up Buttercup, you just flipped my witch switch cat sunset Halloween shirt. Generally given the choice, you could buy a whole closet of button-downs and the same pants and no one would care. We should learn how to not dress as we went to clown school. Not avoid learning altogether. And I found it more stressful. Will I get in trouble for my pants being too tight? Or my socks being gray and not black? God forbid I forget my tie or something. Or stain my white shirt. And since I'm a girl, we get the added don't be distracting rules. Because my hot ankle's gonna give some guy an orgasm. Other products.